Hello everyone, and welcome to the last winter edition of Power Semiconductors Weekly. With spring at our door, we're looking forward to the season of various trade shows and events. See you soon in person. And now, let's check what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. To further enhance the efficiency of the fuel cell electric vehicles, Power Semiconductor has expanded its easier family of the automotive-grade silicon carbide power modules with the most powerful version ever produced in such a compact package. The new SiC power module delivers high power density, which is specifically beneficial for the fuel cell electric vehicles power system. Boost circuit topology can support the maximum 150 amps current output, while the same package commercially available modules can only achieve 100 amps current output. Choosing the proper power diode for power applications is crucial for achieving high efficiency. Panjit International has released power FRETs with a voltage range of 600 to 1200 volt and current rating of 8 to 60 amps. With the outstanding trade-off performance of Panjit FRETs, power system efficiency can be maximized. Panjit FRETs are suitable for rectification of freewheeling circuits in various power applications. Daxin Semi, a Chinese IGBT provider, started construction of its 6-inch IGBT production line project in Fulin district in China. With 2 billion RMB investment, the new project will build a 6-inch power semiconductor wafer production line with special processes and an annual output of 1.2 million units. It will provide devices to sectors including new energy vehicles, smart grids, photovoltaic energy storage, wind power generation, industrial applications, and home appliances. The European project AdvanSiC advances in cost-effective high-voltage silicon carbide power devices for Europe's medium-voltage grids, has brought together 11 entities to produce, test, and validate cost-effective high-voltage silicon carbide MOSFET semiconductors in various medium-voltage DC grid applications. The aim is to minimize high-voltage silicon carbide device cost by advancing novel design structures and process optimization. Join PowerAmerica's 2023 annual meeting at North Carolina State University. The 2.5-day gathering of leaders and experts in silicon carbide and gallium nitride technology will offer networking sessions, keynote remarks, industry perspectives, student poster sessions, and PowerAmerica project updates. Engineering and business development professionals are especially encouraged to attend. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.